Lego revealed the very first wave of Pokemon sets on January 12th, and the community is already completely overwhelmed. There has been no shortage of discussions and videos about the three sets revealed so far. We have the cute Eevee priced at 60 US dollars, and we also have the Pikachu and Pokeball priced at 200 US dollars. Following that, we have the third set, which is a massive 650 US dollars set that is of Charizard, Venusaur, and Blastoise. The most expensive set almost sold out immediately during the pre order phase in less than 24 hours, to be honest. And largely because it included an exclusive gift with purchase, the Kanto region batch collection, which is now being listed for around 300 US dollars on eBay. Now, we all have to wait till February 27th, which is Pokemon Day plus Pokemon's 30th anniversary. All of that aside, Lego has quietly done something genuinely fun this week by launching a Lego Pokemon scavenger hunt. What makes this especially interesting is that it isn't limited to online play, it includes offline elements as well. Lego insiders can now try to catch Pokemon by finding hidden codes and entering them on Lego's website for a chance to win some impressive prizes. The scavenger hunt page on Lego website explains all the rules and details. Starting January 12th, different codes are being hidden across various platforms and participants simply need to find a code and submit it online. If the code is correct, it counts as one entry into the prize draw. There is no requirement to find all the codes. Every single entry is a separate chance to win. The codes are hidden near a brick shaped logo featuring a Pokeball. But there are some regional limitations. Only participants from Canada, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Ireland, Slovakia, Slovenia, Sweden, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States are eligible for the draw. That means fans in Asia and Australia can still play, but just for fun, no prizes. Codes can appear on Lego.com pages, Lego's social media posts, the Pokemon Go app, the Pokemon.com, PokemonCenter.com, and even inside videos from creators like Austin John Plays, Shiny Catherine, Emma Saurus, and Ethan the Artisan. There can be up to 30 codes in total, and it's very likely that few will also be hidden offline in major Lego stores as well. So you can look out for them. So the grand prize is huge. It's an all expenses paid trip to visit the Pokemon experience and attend the 2026 Pokemon World Championship along with full first wave of Lego Pokemon sets. Other prizes are also listed on the scavenger hunt page. So what do we need to do? Once we find the code, we need to enter it on the scavenger hunt page where it unlocks one of the 30 Pokemon from the Pokemon lineup. The very first known code is Pick for Express, which was spotted on in game ad balloon in Pokemon Go. Entering that code unlocks the Diamond Lego Pikachu. So that's the first code, and we have unlocked the first Lego Pokemon right there. Now let's check out the Lego.com website for any hidden codes. If you go to the website, on the main page, you have all the Pokemon listings, and clicking on Learn More will take you to the page where you have all the launch details. There is a video followed by the scavenger hunt, then there is product listing, and that's followed by FAQs, and at the bottom of the page, there is that icon. That means there is a scavenger hunt code hidden on this particular page. Now, FAQs will not have any codes. That's pretty obvious. And if you check out the product details, you will not have the code in some other page. It's supposed to be on this particular page. Scavenger hunt, I have thoroughly checked. There are no codes on that particular page. That leaves us just with this video. And if you click on that, right after you play video, the logo or the icon appears right there, the scavenger hunt icon. And on the coffee cup, you can see that there is a phrase. It's super effective. Probably that's the code to the scavenger hunt, right? Let's try that out. Okay. If you go to the scavenger hunt page and enter this particular phrase, let's see what happens. So I'm just going to the scavenger hunt page. You need to scroll down on this page. There it is. You need to type the code there. So, first attempt, I'm going to try it with the space. So, it's super effective with the space is not working. So, if I'm trying it's super effective without the spaces, what happens? Yes, the code is accepted. That means you need to try this code with the apostrophe, but not the spaces. And what does this unlock? So I can see two diamond Pikachus for some reason. It unlocks the gold Lego Pikachu. And if you click on redeem, actually, you can redeem the wallpaper art kind of. Like it's a high quality digital image which you can print like a poster. So it unlocks the snack attack Lego Pikachu. In the same way, if you click on the diamond Pikachu, which we redeemed earlier, let's check out what actually happens. So this unlocks another wallpaper of Pikachu. That is how this email found me, Lego Pikachu. It's nothing exciting, but it's just a game. So the second code is it's super effective and it's on lego.com. Now moving ahead, let's check out Lego's Instagram page. If you look at the initial posts, let's check out the initial posts, and I don't see any scavenger hunt icons over there. And if I scroll a little down, are there any? Yes, there is one. So there is a post with the scavenger hunt icon, and if I click on that, it takes me to a post that says guess the phrases. And the first one is I and a skeleton, probably death stare. Let me try that out. So if I'm trying death stare without the space, it's not working. I'm trying with space, and that also doesn't work. Now let's check out the image again. So the second one is chef and kiss, lips. So chef's kiss. Let me try that out. So if I'm trying chef's kiss without the space and the with space, what happens? Without space, no, that doesn't work either. So that's also not working. So what am I missing in this image? Let's check it out. Oh my gosh, there is something written on the image. It's called for friend. It's barely visible, but it's there. Probably it's not the phrase that we guess that's the code. It's just for friend. Let's try that out. I'm trying for friend. If this works, this is probably the third code. And if I click on enter, yes, this works. So that means this is the third code, and this has unlocked one of the entry over here. So which one is that? So this is probably okay. Let me refresh, and it's a silver Lego EV. That's what this third code has unlocked. So upon clicking redeem, what do we see? Is this something cool? No, not really. This is just a graphic designer Lego EV art. Not a big fan of this, but I'm happy that the third code was found. I mean, I enjoy this game. So, this is how you play the scavenger hunt. If I find any more codes, I'll update it here in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care.